Oh, the little one still cannot cross.
The little one is unable to move.
Yeah,
You
he's
see,
scared.
you see now that one will push it. Let's
Yeah.
move. You see his mother is going to push it.
Uh-huh.
Pull.
Yeah.
Cross.
That's funny. Oh, little one, come on.
Scoring it.
Oh, that's too funny. Okay, this lady is coming. You see this? You gone? Okay, she's not. She changed your mind.
You see he's pulling the baby.
Yeah.
He's pulling him. Come.
Oh, he may be very small, right? You can do it. Come on.
Close.
You can do it. It's too funny. Now he's coming our way.
Oh, I don't know where he's going to cross to. He's fearing.
Poor thing. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, oh, mama.
He's crossing the river. He's fearing.
I know. It's so small. Come on, baby. So they're very good mothers, right?
Yeah, they are. You see, even their brothers, they are protecting the baby. They are coming back.
Yeah.
He can't go.
Wow. Come on, little one. You can do it. It's too funny to watch. I'm sorry. Oh.
Come.
Oh, it's drama.
Baby.
Oh.
He's fearing.
Yep. Come on, poor thing. You can do it.
It's not deep. Come here, it's not deep.
Okay, he's going across now.
He's unable to cross now.
Such a baby.
You want to close or not?
Ah oui. So she's protective. Come on.
Oh, you see, he's coming on us.
Yeah. Because of the baby, right?
No, he thinks that we are the one who is we are disturbing the baby. And we are safe.
Mm-hmm. Come on, mama. Bye.
The roots.
Oops, she's coming.
You want to push it. You see now he's pulling it. You see?
Mm-hmm.
They are pulling it. Even the other one is bringing the...
Okay, they're coming our way. Do you want to move a little bit?
You run away.
Baby, baby, come on, you can do it.
You see now they are making a bridge. You see,
Yeah.
the first one, they think that they are stacking.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's why it's coming backwards so that they can hold to each other. Be careful of the others.
Okay. Yeah, she's kind of coming closer, no? Okay, we can move, I guess. Yeah, she's... This lady thing is...
This one is not bad. The bad is the one that is going on that side.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you see that one on that side?
Yeah, I see her.
Yeah, make sure you look, you check for that.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Maybe we need to move a little bit so that... They kind of... Can we move a little bit? She's coming on us. Yeah. Oops. Okay, she's... Okay. Thank you. Oh, he crossed. Look at him. Big boy. He made it. He made it, yeah. She's going backwards. Huh. Whew. Drama.